Hello everyone, my name is Sham. I'm from Dubai. I work with Rackbank and most of my experience has been in banking industry. So I'm going to talk about key technology trends in banking. So if you see, banking has changed a lot over a period of time, and banking has been a pioneer industry to adopt technology. The roles of bank in olden times have changed a lot. Earlier, banking used to be typical branch central financial institution, and now banking is all about technology and adoption has been huge in terms of technology, be it computer based online banking or mobile based mobile banking. And banking continues to adopt new technology trends from industry. Now, the key technology trends what we see in banking are as follows. The first one is open banking. What we have seen that there are a lot of new technology advances happening from fintechs and partners. So banks are opening up their services through open API, and it's a very key change in the way banks have been looking their services and offering and collaborating with partners and fintechs. The second technology trend, which is very important these days, is data. It is important to provide analytics driven, personalized experience and offers to customers. Customer loyalty is at the lowest point these days. Customer has become very smart and educated. They don't stick with single bank. They are ready to go for new bank or new organization with new service provider which provides better services to them. And with the huge data being generated by different devices, different systems, it is important to leverage data and provide analyst driven personalized experience to customer. The third one is cloud expansion, and earlier banks used to have their data center in on premise, but with cloud expansion it has become very important for banks to adopt OpEx based cloud model compared to CapEx based on premise model, and also use blockchain framework to leverage open ledger concept. The fourth key technology trend in banking is artificial intelligence and cognitive computation. Though this is just catching up, but banks are exploring this to their advantage and then reduce the cost of banking and offer better services to customers. Apart from these four trends in technology, banks are changing the way technology delivery used to happen compared to waterfall based model. Now technology is moving towards agile based delivery and also automating the full delivery pipeline through DevOps. And microservices is changing the way IT was building their services, and it is helping them to segregate the services and also making independent choices from technology as well as delivery teams. At bottom of all these things is very important aspect of information security. With more digitization and more exploitation of new technology comes the risk of information security, and financial services are always on the target for exploitation from hackers and from outside threats, and hence it is very important for banks to pay attention towards information security, and banks have realized that, and that's another key area. This slide is about target architecture of a typical digital bank. This is what I'm looking at from banking perspective. Where on the top we have delivery channels, followed by presentation layer, service router, security layer, and then the heart of my bank infrastructure is microservice based architecture and data engine. At the bottom we have our legacy system, core banking, CRM, and so on. This is my reference architecture. Now, what should be technology strategy for CTOs and CIOs? So, First one, strong infrastructure. Be it any technology advance, it is important to have strong infrastructure in place to exploit any technology. The second one is, instead of fearing from fintechs, instead of competing from fintechs, banks should have a strategy to leverage fintechs and then collaborate with them. The third one, technology should be used to make customer journey simpler and faster and help business to launch innovative products and services. The fourth one, we should have a clear business case and adopt specific context cases instead of implementing technology to make it a successful implementation. Last but not the least, business as well as IT should upskill all the time. It is very important to have very good skills on business and IT side to take advantage of new technology. That's all, folks. Thanks.